Hi, I'm Bryan Downing with Caterpillar, and we're out at ConExpo 2020. We'll talk a little bit about Caterpillar's new thermal mapping solution. And standing right behind me is our thermal mapping. It is a thermal camera mounted to a high accuracy GPS system that keeps track of the thermal variation behind the asphalt paver. You might ask yourself, how does thermal variation happen behind the paver? Oftentimes this can be due to inconsistent material delivery, so trucking backlogs, backlogs at the production plant, the hot mix plant. These things will lead to paver stoppages, waiting for material. Every time there's a paver stoppage, there's an opportunity for a bump to be created in the road there, as well as a thermal situation in the asphalt mat. In addition to that, sometimes paving techniques and or wear on the screed can introduce thermal variation in the asphalt layer.
So tell me a little bit about what the screed operator can do having this information at their fingertips. You had already touched on it, adjusting the augers, those sorts of things.
Yeah, the screed operators really have a first look at the thermal variation that's coming behind the asphalt paver, and they can make adjustments such as taking a look at the center. There's a streaking down the center of the asphalt layer. That can be brought on by wear on some of the deflector plates and or improper installation of some of the augering there. If augers are too high, that will show up in the asphalt variation as well as some of the textures. So there's a few paving techniques that are certainly impactful on the thermal variation behind the asphalt paver.
And can you talk about how it integrates with intelligent compaction?
So the thermal map is really the first measure of the consistency of the asphalt temperature behind the paver. And this is critical for the asphalt rollers following the asphalt paver because they're expecting to see a consistent asphalt temperature. And the asphalt compaction process is critical to have a consistent temperature. And certainly the rollers following the asphalt paver are expecting that consistency, and when there's temperature variation, the roller's ability to create consistent compaction is impacted. And when the density of an asphalt layer is reduced for temperature reasons and or intelligent compaction, the pass count failures of consistency, this can impact the durability of that asphalt layer and ultimately the life of the layer.
And then can you talk about the value of the system on mixed machine crews? Like, what information is available for someone who might be using a different type of roller, maybe not a cat roller? How can they still benefit from this type of technology?
Certainly. Well, this thermal mapping system integrates with the Caterpillar F-Series roller, or F-Series paver, and that fundamentally allows some of our system parameters that are proprietary to Caterpillar to be brought through in terms of paver speed and so forth. Again, it is a installation that is common to the F-Series paver, and it's brought to our customers by our site tech arm, or the technology side of the Caterpillar dealers.
Could you briefly explain how it works and what its accuracy and range is?
Okay. The thermal camera is a calibrated system with the calibration of two hot spots. We form a line at which the camera scans while the paver's moving down the road. This is tied to a GPS position, and in this case we use a high accuracy position and we utilize the RTK level of accuracy. And at the high accuracy level, DOTs can take this map and lay it right on the road and couple it together with intelligent compaction maps so that you have a thermal map followed by the intelligent compaction. A multitude of states in the U.S. now are utilizing specifications that ask for thermal mapping as well as intelligent compaction, and having a high accuracy solution such as the Caterpillar SiteTech solution really wraps up and creates a great opportunity to see both thermal mapping followed by intelligent compaction.
Is there anything else we should talk about that we haven't touched on yet?
Boy, I think we've covered a lot.
For people who might be interested in learning more, where do you recommend they go for additional info?
To learn more, if you're out at ConExpo, please stop by the Caterpillar booth. We're outside at the Operators Stadium holding the operator finals right now. In addition to that, if you're not able to join us at ConExpo, please see our SiteTech arm of the Caterpillar dealer, and they can certainly answer questions about our thermal mapping system.
Okay.